Hey guys, we're back with a new set of cool gadgets for various occasions. Some of them are for your indoor and outdoor activities, and some will take care of your health. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. This gadget is a must for everyone who likes shooting video professionally or just for fun. All you have to do is insert the phone and choose the shooting mode. The smart auto-tracking feature makes sure you always remain in frame. You can set it to track a certain object, face, body, or even a specific action. This also works great for Zoom calls and streams. Taking an interview? Just turn on the Versus mode so the camera switches between the two speakers completely on its own. And on top of all that, there's a ton of cool effects for your photos and videos. Your subscribers will also appreciate the stunning panoramas, motion time-lapses, and little planet shots. This thing is incredibly easy to use. One touch or one gesture is all you need. The device will do the rest. Or you can use an intuitive mobile app. Finally, you'll definitely appreciate the remote control that also comes in the package. Most importantly, the gadget is completely pocketable and mobile, delivering up to 10 hours of use on one charge. Okay guys, it's time to make your steaks and burgers on an intergalactic level. Every Star Wars fan will immediately recognize the iconic TIE Fighter. But this is actually a fully functioning grill and fire pit. It's hard to believe that the whole thing is completely handmade, featuring a sturdy steel construction with laser-cut details. The grill part is made from stainless steel and it's actually removable. You might think the spaceship is quite large, but in fact it's perfectly sized for an average trunk. Your friends will be amazed. Would you like to have someone take care of all your clothes, keep them clean and fresh? All you need is this innovative dresser by Samsung. It uses hot steam to quickly clean up your clothes and remove all the odors. This also allows you to keep your outfits free from bacteria and allergens. At the same time, this dresser is perfect for drying. The heat pump technology makes sure even the delicate clothes will dry out without any damage. And unlike many other machines, this one will never disturb you with loud noise. Plus, there's a couple of additional features. The wrinkle care system smooths out most of the creases, making your clothes much easier to iron. And if you leave the door open, the dresser also acts as a dehumidifier. Since this thing is Wi-Fi enabled, you can control everything right from your smartphone. Next up is this extremely handy wireless transmitter. It lets you connect your AirPods or any other wireless headphones to virtually any device that has a headphone jack. Moreover, you can actually connect 2 pairs of headphones at a time. In order to pair your earbuds, just turn on the gadget and hold the power button for a couple of seconds and enter pairing mode. Once the earbuds are connected, you'll see the white LED indicator light up. That's it. Plug the transmitter into the aux port and enjoy your music. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0, this gadget stands out with a 32-foot connectivity range with almost zero latency. The rechargeable battery lasts around 15 to 20 hours, and even if it's out of juice, you can use the transmitter while charging. The USB-C cable is included in the package. If you're one of those people who like their food finely sliced, this knife is a total must-have. Whether it's bread or meat, cooked or raw, this knife cuts through anything with unfailing smoothness. The groundbreaking design was actually invented in 1968, but this is the improved version. It combines a stainless steel serrated blade with a titanium-coated guide, ensuring quick and precise cutting. The ergonomic handle makes the knife really comfortable to hold, but keep in mind the knife is made specifically for right-handed users. Now, most importantly, you can easily adjust the thickness of your slices by simply turning the little wheel. It goes from 0.04 inches to 0.6 inches. And in case you're wondering, yes, the knife is dishwasher safe. A knife sharpener is something all of us need on a long journey. Here's the most portable solution that suits various use cases. The coarse blade on one side is meant to fix dull and seriously damaged blades, but if it's not that bad, flip this thing over and use the fine slot for some light honing. All it takes is a flat surface and a few pulls. Clean your sharpener after use to make sure it stays in perfect condition, and this option is actually even more powerful. It still has that same combination of coarse and fine slots. The tool is equipped with a comfy handle and some guards to protect your fingers. And there's another cool function. You can use this gadget to sharpen your scissors, whether left or right-handed. If your carbide blades get worn over time, replacing them is a matter of seconds. Simply unscrew the cap to remove the blades and insert the new ones. But keep in mind, both sharpeners will only work with standard non-serrated blades. And here's an extremely powerful measuring tool that'll help you make some big changes. It combines a regular measuring tape with a digital laser technology that lets you do plenty of stuff. Switching between different modes, you can measure width, height, and volume of various objects. This thing even knows the Pythagoras theorem. The results will appear immediately on the bright LCD screen, and you won't need to remember them. The internal storage will do that for you. In terms of accuracy, the laser is almost flawless. As for the measuring tape, it features a magnetic tip, which is great for metal surfaces. The tape is nylon-coated and corrosion-resistant. Actually, the whole gadget is really sturdy as well. The built-in metal clip allows effortless carrying. Just don't forget to charge this thing every once in a while. Well, this one's pretty simple. It's just a cool and reliable wireless charger. The gadget is Qi certified, which means it works perfectly fine both with iPhone and Android phones. Plus, it supports fast charging, delivering up to 10 watts of power output. With iPhones, though, it's limited to 7.5 watts. But the first thing you'll actually notice is the vibrant RGB lighting. There are 5 colors to choose from, as well as 4 different cycle modes. You're free to switch between them with a click of a button. The charger also features a rubberized surface that provides solid grip. The USB-C charging cable is included in the package. This thing will look cool on any desk. Imagine a full-size 101-ounce bag that's literally the size of a keychain. Well, here it is. The trick is quite simple. This bag comes with a special silicone shell, which makes it incredibly easy to carry. But it isn't just that. The bag is entirely made from water-resistant polyester. You can either use it to carry wet stuff or vice versa. Protect your clothes and valuables from water. The bag's drawstring closure makes the contents easily accessible. The bag comes in 2 colors, light blue and black. Here's a whole new way to start a fire completely hassle-free, even in the toughest conditions. This Firestarter doesn't require a lighter or matches. You only have to pull the string and give it some time. The safety smoke will let you know that the flame is coming. The heat level of this thing is really high, which makes the whole process quicker than ever. This Firestarter is windproof and rainproof, so you'll get a decent fire no matter what. Wet wood is no longer a problem. This thing will light it anyway. Each piece burns up to 30 minutes straight. The Firestarter is completely safe for your food, whether it's a steak or some marshmallows. And since we all care about the environment, the pack is made of eco-friendly material. Sanitizing your room and office might take quite some time and effort, unless you have one of these electric sprayers. It tackles germs and bacteria in 2 different ways: the powerful UV light and the actual mist. The large container holds a decent amount of liquid, letting you sanitize an entire room. This will also help to eliminate unpleasant odors. You can use almost any type of liquid and spray for over 20 minutes straight. And feel free to adjust the amount of fog using the special knob. As you can see, the gadget is handheld and fairly compact. Some models even have a rechargeable battery that allows cordless operation. They also differ in design and size, but either way, you can shoot the viruses now. This one's for your car. This gadget will provide you with fresh, clean air in the most quick and hassle-free way. Featuring a 3-stage filtration system, this purifier is able to remove up to 99% of pollutants from the air you breathe in. Thanks to the integrated LED lights, you can clearly see the current air quality. The gadget will do its best to get it from red to green. You may also adjust the fan speed, switching between high and low, or simply turn on the auto mode. And don't worry, whichever one you choose, the fans won't get too noisy. As for the installation, you can easily do it on your own. You need to install the filter, attach the included Velcro strap, and then plug in the power cord. The gadget can be mounted on a headrest or on top of the console. Clean air is definitely worth the effort.